everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your LATOKEN account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then log into your LATOKEN.com account by typing in LATOKEN.com inside a URL box. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you are logged in, from the main homepage, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you click on your profile, click on your email address, and then from the page, click on the security option at the top left. Scroll all the way down from the security options and click on the delete account button. Before deleting your account, you'll first need to withdraw your funds if you want to save them. Deleting an account is an irreversible process. After you delete your account, you will lose access to your profile, history, and referrals. Select a reason from the drop-down why you are trying to delete your account and click on the delete account button. You will now need to confirm your email address, so type in the code that you received on your email and click on continue. Soon after you confirm your email, you will then be able to delete your LATOKEN account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.